These are lecture notes from Mel Holmes Math 120 online at CSM section 1.8. Okay, section 1.8. Homework is 1 to 49 odd, page 73. So for those of you that don't have the book and don't plan on getting it, here are the homework problems. Up to about 24, a little bit more. And we had to go up to 49, so that should be it. You can always go to the video, pause, fast forward, rewind. And then answers to 1.8. So here's some here. It showed you up to about 35 and then more. That should do it. Okay. In this section, we're solving inequalities. Inequalities means you have less than, greater than or equal to, greater than, less than, equal to, something like that. For the most part, you do the same operations as you would for equalities. So x minus 5 is less than 7, number 1. Well, what would you do if it said an equal sign? You would add 5. So do the same thing. Add 5, x is less than 12. It does not include 12, so it's open circle and 12. Less than 12 means shade to the left. Problem 7, y plus 6 is greater than or equal to 10. Do the same thing as if it was an equal sign. Subtract 6. Y is greater than or equal to 4. That means you count 4. So close circle this time because I'm including 4. Here I was not including 12. And greater than 4 means you shade to the right. 13, 5a less than or equal to 25. Divide by 5. That's exactly what you would have done if it said equals. Just do the same thing. A is less than or equal to 5. Close circle, because I'm including 5. Less than means shade to the left. Now, there's one big exception to watch out for. That's when you multiply or divide by a negative. Okay? The original problem is negative x over 5 is less than or equal to 10. All right? So to get rid of the 5 and the negative, I would multiply both sides by negative 5. Okay? But when you multiply by a negative or divide by a negative, the inequality symbol has to reverse. So less than or equal to 10 becomes greater than or equal to 10. Okay, so x is greater than or equal to negative 50. Okay, so again, multiplying or dividing by a negative, inequality symbol reverses. Okay, greater than or equal to negative 50, close circle, shade to the right. Okay, 25, there's 2 steps. 2x minus 3 is less than 9. Isolate the x, so get rid of the 3, get rid of the 2. How to get rid of minus 3? Plus 3. 2x is less than 12. Divide by 2. X is less than 6. Notice I did not change the inequality symbol. When you add or subtract, you don't have to change the inequality symbol. When you divide or multiply by a positive, you don't have to change the inequality symbol either. So x is less than 6. That does not include 6, so open circle. Less than 6, shade to the left. This one, isolate the a. Get rid of minus 3, plus 3. That does not change the sign. So that gives me negative 2/5 a is greater than 8. And now to get rid of negative 2/5, I multiply by the reciprocal, negative 5/2. Okay, that is a negative number. So the inequality symbol reverses. Notice instead of greater than, it's now less than. So that cancels out. A is less than that times that, which is negative 20. So open circle on negative 20, shade to the left. Okay, 43 starts off like this, has all those fractions. I don't like those fractions, so I'll multiply both sides by the common denominator of 3, 2, 6, and 2. That would be 6. That's a positive 6, so I don't change the inequality symbol. So 6 times that, 6 times that, 6 times that, 6 times that. 2y minus 3 less than or equal to 5y plus 3. That becomes a much easier inequality to work with. So subtract 2y. Subtracting and adding doesn't change the inequality symbol. Negative 3 is less than or equal to 3y plus 3. Subtract 3 on both sides. Negative 6 is less than or equal to 3y. Divide by 3. Negative 2 is less than or equal to y. Or putting the variable on the left side, y is greater than or equal to negative 2. He says the same thing. So close circle on negative 2, shade to the right. Okay, then finally 45 starts off with decimals. Now, you could probably survive by leaving it with the decimals, but I'll get rid of the decimals. I'll multiply both sides by 10, and you might recall that has the effect of moving the decimals over by one spot. So move over one, negative 28x plus 84, less than negative 140x minus 28. Okay, so at least there's no more decimals. All right, add 140x, 112x plus 84, less than negative 28. I added, so inequality symbol doesn't reverse. Subtract 84, that doesn't change inequality. 112x is less than negative 112. Divide by 112. I'm dividing by 112, so that does not change the inequality symbol. X is less than negative 1. So open circle at negative 1, shade to the left. All right, so these are lecture notes for Mel Ham's Math 120 online, section 1.8.